Hey, what's up YouTubers? John Lee here. In this video, I wanted to show you basically the kind of results that you can get from paying attention to your analytics on your YouTube channel home screen. You can actually get to it through if you click on the top right of your icon in the top right of the screen, you can come down to YouTube Studio and then click on that. And then over here, this is your dashboard, and over here on the left hand side you can see you can scroll down to analytics, but right off the bat you can just see right here from the dashboard. Let's take just a brief look at some of the statistics that have changed and some of the analytics that have changed. You can see just on my most recent video, my average view duration is up 5 minutes, and the click-through rate is also up. You see the green arrows indicating some positive upward movement. In the middle section here, you can see that I've gone up 17 subscribers in the last 28 days. This particular, I guess the standard or the default is a 28-day spread on this. Up 17 new subscribers the last 28 days. My views are up 6.2 thousand, up 79%. The watch time is up 167.2 hours of watch time. That's up 109%. So I just wanted to show you that right off the bat so you can kind of see I've applied myself more towards being more focused on my analytics, paying attention to which videos have been doing well and why, and looking for more of, what my audience or my non-subscriber audience might be looking for. And so I've really been paying attention to that and really been working hard to try to make some changes to grow and get more subscribers, get more engagement, and grow to 1,000 subscribers, hopefully way more beyond that. But this looks like a good beginning and a good point of reference for what kind of results you can see in just a month or two from actually applying yourself to paying attention to the analytics and paying attention to the cues from YouTube as to, what they're looking for in order to promote more of your videos to your audience. And so I just wanted to show you these three things on here because this is really cool. So if you go down on the left hand side and you can click on analytics and it'll pull up your analytics screen. If you can highlight each of these sections, I've been on average at like 4,000, and you can see this is a live streaming count, 629 views in the last 48 hours, but my average count before was about 4,000 views per 28 days, and so that's gone up overall. But one of the main things that's reassuring and validating, and the results are right here in the pudding. So you can see the amount of views, overall views has gone up, and when compared to the previous 28 days, that's up 82%. So my views are up 82%, and the amount of watch time that is up is 170.4 hours, which is 109%, which is fantastic. You see upward movement. And then my subscribers have actually finally started changing, which I was, feeling like I was stuck in a place where I wasn't growing and building and getting the engagement with my audience that I was really looking for. But up 183%, 17 subscribers in the last 28 days. It just goes to show you that if you pay attention to the YouTube algorithm and the analytics, and let the analytics be your guide towards the algorithm that you're looking for, make better content, make better videos, make it more interesting, edit your videos, work on your lighting, study these things that can help improve your channel, and you can see that it will improve your analytics, which in turn will grow your channel and get you more subscribers. And I look forward to taking another look at this in maybe another couple months. I'm John Lee, and thanks for watching this video. If you like these kind of videos, hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. I'm on to the next one.